Hello Amritians, I hope you all are fine. So now, in third video, I am going to discuss about sprites, then how to change the costumes of the sprite. Now the first question is, what is sprite? A sprite is an object that is controlled by the code blocks in the scripting area. Scratch programs are made of sprites and the scripts that control them. Again, script is just a word used to describe the commands given by the code blocks in the scripting area. With code, sprites can be made to move around, change appearance, and can be controlled by the user of the program. When you start a Scratch program, you are given the default sprite and orange cat. So now, let's look at how you can change the costumes or appearance of your sprite. This is an idea of a sprite. So, you can change the costume or the appearance of your sprite. This can be a change of clothes or even a change in posture. In Scratch, we typically use costumes to show the motion like walking or running. The default cat sprite has two costumes, costume 1 and costume 2. Now you can see when you select the costumes tab from the top left corner, you can change the costumes like it will appear like it is running. Notice how they show the two parts of the walking motion. If you keep switching between costume 1 and costume 2, it will look like the sprite is walking. It will look like the sprite is walking. Now you can change. You can see when you select the costumes tab from the left corner, the scripting area is replaced by the paint editor. Now you can create a costume. Just see the paint editor. You can edit your current costumes through the editor. You can change color. You can flip the sprite, draw, and more with the editor. You can use this paint editor to paint your sprite like this. You can create a costume by painting in editor, uploading it. You can upload your sprite. You can paint it. You can use the paint editor. Like see from this bottom button, you are having these 4 options. You can upload a sprite. You can paint a sprite. You can choose a sprite, select your own sprite. You can have a surprise also from the Scratch. So these are the ways you can change the costume of your selected sprite. Now how you can make a new sprite? How you can make this a new sprite? You can use this, you can make this a new sprite. Like you can use the eraser from the paint corner. You can edit the sprite according to your manner. So this is how you can create your own sprite. Now if you want to choose a new sprite, how you can choose it? How you can choose a new sprite? From the right bottom corner, there is one button, choose a sprite. You can upload a new sprite. You can pick the sprite from the extensive library that Scratch offers you. Like if you want to insert any girl, you can insert this sprite. So lot of options are available to you. You can choose any sprite for your video. If you want to create a jungle screen, you can select different sprites like bird. You can have different types of sprites. So this is the way you can insert a new sprite in a video. So that's all for this third video. The next we will cover how you can select the background, how you can code your sprite, the basic coding of the sprite. So in the next video we will discuss that topics. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.